Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain the most repeated question in the interview for the beginners. Okay, which is sort a list without using any built-in function. Here we have a code. See, just don't simply by heart this code. Okay, just try to understand the working flow of it. Okay, now here we have a list a equal to 5 comma 3 comma 8 comma 1. Here n equal to length of a. What is the length of A here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 is the length of A. Here for I in range of n. Here what is the n here? We already know that 4. Now what is the range here? 0, 1, 2, 3. Here their range gives the starting from the 0 and up to where? It will ignores the last number which is 4. What is the range here? 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. Now here for j in range of 0 comma n minus I minus 1. Because of this the range of j becomes smaller. Okay. By using this the range of j becomes smaller. Right. And here we have to compare the two adjustment elements. One is a of j and another one is a of j plus 1. Okay, then we will go to the explanation now. Here pass 1. Here I equal to 0. In the iterations in the range we have 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Here we have pass 1 I equal to 0. Here range of 0 comma n minus I minus 1. What is then here? 4, right? Now 4 minus what is the here? 0. 0 minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. J. Now what is the range here? J 0 comma 1 comma 2. Here 3 comparisons here. Now we have to compare these all. Okay. Here j equal to 0. A of 0 greater than a of 0 plus 1. It will becomes a of 0 greater than a of 1. Once check the condition here. Once check the here. 5 is greater than 3. Yes, it is true. So we have to swap them. Okay. Now what is the next one here? 2. What is the next step here? 2. Here j equal to 1. A of 1 greater than a of 1 plus 1. It means a of 1 greater than a of 2. Once check here, it is the updated list. You have to check here. Okay. Here a of 1. 5 is greater than 8. No, it is not greater than 8. So it remains same. Now what is the next step here? 3. Here j equal to 2. A of 2 greater than a of 2 plus 1. It means it becomes a of 3. A of 2 greater than a of 3. Once check here. What is the a of 2 here? 8. What is the a of 3 here? 1. Does 8 is greater than 1? Yes, it is true. So we have to swap them. Now going to the past 2, I equal to 1. I equal to 1. Again you have to calculate the range here. Range of 0 comma what is then here? 4. What is the I here? Yes, 1. 4 minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Here j equal to 0 comma 1. Here 2 comparisons. Okay. Now here the step 1 j equal to 0. Again you have to compare here. A of 0 greater than a of 1. How it came? A of 0 greater than a of 0 plus 1. It will become a of 0 greater than a of 1. Does 3 is greater than 5? No. So it is remain same. Now what is the next step here? Second step. J equal to 1. A of 1 greater than a of 1 plus 1. It becomes 2. A of 1 greater than a of 2. Once check here. 5 greater than 2. 5 greater than 5 greater than 1. So it becomes true. So we have to swap them. Okay. Now here the two comparisons are completed. Now we are going to the past 3. Here I equal to 2. I equal to 2 means 0. I equal to 2 means 0, right? Here we have only one comparison. Okay. Now here step 1. I equal to 0, right? Here a of 0 greater than a of 0 plus 1. It means a of 0 greater than a of 1. Once check here. 3 greater than 1. Once check here. 3 greater than 1. Yes, true, right? So we have to swap them. Here it became 1, 1, 3, 5, 8. Okay. Now here we have the another one. Pass 4. I equal to 3. Again we have to calculate the range here. Range of 0 comma 4 4 minus 3 minus 1. It becomes 0. How it becomes here? 4 minus 3 minus 1. It means minus 4. 4 minus 4 0. Here no values here. So here there is no comparisons. So the final output is 1 3 5 8. I hope you understand. Thank you.